Hi guys, in this video we will see an exercise on QlikView. The objective of this particular exercise is how to merge the data from CSV file, how to merge the two CSV files and represent it in QlikView. This is the objective. So I have two CSV files which will be consisting of data, it may be consisting of tables. So how we can merge it and represent it in QlikView, that we see. So I'll go over here, file, click on edit script or you can press Ctrl C. So you can see over here that from this particular load, so I have loaded a CSV file. So this is nothing but a CSV file. You can see over here. I'll highlight this best sellers with category. So this is one of the CSV file, so which is being loaded. Another CSV file is nothing but this particular file named as product 2017.csv. So both these are the CSV files from this load to this. So how we can load the data from this two CSV files, how we can merge the two CSV files and represent the data. So I'll just click on OK. I'll go over here and click on the reload button so that the data is going to be fetched in this particular main sheet or the QlikView document. If I want to represent this data in the form of table box or multi-box, I can represent it. So first of all, I'll show you that how we can represent it in the form of table box. Yeah. So I'll not give the title. I'll keep it as it is because we are having two CSV files, best sellers with category and product 2000. So all tables. So I'll add all, click on apply and OK. So this is the case. So how we can represent it in the form of table box. I'll maximize this, but it is going to be look like very much what you can say. It is full of data, I can say. It is basically looking more complicated, and some of the fields might be on here and there. But nevertheless, we can represent it in another manner also. So I'll remove this. So author, category, genre. So first of all, showing to you that author is from the best sellers with category, genre is from the best sellers with category, category that is nothing but from the product 2017, price, product ID, it is from the product 2017 CSV file, author, genre. So all these are nothing but from the best sellers with category CSV file. So I'll remove this. Click on right click on this particular table box, remove it. I'll click on the main sheet, right click over here, go to the new sheet object. Now click on multi. So this is going to represent all the things. So I'll write over here and give the title as merge to CSV file. So I'll add all. I'll take it from all the tables. I'll apply and OK. So this is the thing which we have represented over here. So merge to CSV file. If you are going to click on this particular author, category, genre. So all these are the fields which is being combined from both the CSV files. User rating, year. So this is from that best seller CSV file. Product ID. This is from product 2017 CSV. So when I click on this, when I click on any of the authors, say Andy, where, so it is going to show me the genre, fiction, Martin, price of that particular, reviews, user rating, all these things. So when I go to this particular product, any of the product, I'll click on this particular 3M. So it is going to show me all these things. So this is going to show me all these things. So whatever will be there, so only things is going to be shown by this particular. I have clicked on product. So it is going to show me 3M office air cleaner, category office supplies, ID of that particular product, subcategory is appliances. So I hope you have understood how to merge two CSV files and represent it in QlikView. So we can represent it in the form of table or table. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.